Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to recover a SoundCloud account. First of all, you can open any browser that you use. After opening the browser, you can now tap on search, and here you can just simply search SoundCloud password reset. I can already search it, so now I can tap on this. You can search here, and after this you can just simply tap on the first link, that is resetting your password, and after this you can just simply scroll down. Now you can tap on the account settings page that is shown in a blue, and after the loading you can just simply see the option send password reset link, and after this the SoundCloud app sends the password reset link to your email. You can just simply open the email and now tap on the link, and after this you can reset your password, and it is a way you can recover your SoundCloud account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.